Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your Wallops weather briefing for Friday, October 27th. We're seeing a sunny and seasonable day out there today, and we do expect that to continue throughout the day today before we see a increase in cloud cover tomorrow in advance of our next weather system that's expected to impact the area on Sunday. Taking a look at our conditions from yesterday, we saw a chilly day across the Mid-Atlantic region, with all locations reporting around 60 degrees. A couple locations only able to get up to 62. We saw a very cold morning this morning for many locations. Here at Wallops we got down to 40 degrees. Down the Tidewater, they were also around 40 degrees, but areas along the interior of the Delmarva were able to see temperatures just above that freezing mark. Salisbury was the coldest at 34 degrees this morning. We did see a couple isolated showers in the late morning hours yesterday, which did bring some trace amounts of rain to a few locations across the area. As of this morning, we are going to be seeing a seasonable day today temperature-wise. We're seeing temperatures running in the upper 40s to mid-50s for most locations under sunny skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we were seeing calm winds at the surface earlier this morning. Then just above the surface, those winds are southwesterly up to 3,000 feet from around 10 to 15 knots, then increasing to 20 knots and nearly a zonal flow across the entire rest of the column. Those 20-knot winds were extending up to 12,000 feet and then increasing from about 25 to 30 knots to 20,000 feet and maxing out at that just 35 knots at the 25,000 foot level, with the freezing level this morning just above 12,000 feet. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop here this morning, not seeing anything in the way of showers as high pressure is in control, and we're also seeing mostly sunny skies, just seeing a couple very thin cirrus clouds off to the north here. Temperatures this morning, you can see there was widespread 30-degree temperatures across the entire region. With those calm winds, we had some good radiational cooling across the area that helped lower those temperatures quite a bit. And then we are seeing those temperatures rise above 50 degrees as we go into the late morning hours. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you can see we have high pressure across the eastern half of the United States. And that has, like I said, given us that good radiational cooling this morning, as well as given us some mostly sunny skies today. Our next weather system is currently across the midwestern portions of the United States, and that is going to continue to advance eastward. We are going to see cloud cover start to increase tomorrow in advance of this system. And on Sunday, this system is going to pick up some tropical moisture from the southern Gulf of Mexico, and that is going to give us some brief heavy rain at times throughout the entire day on Sunday, as well as a chance of thunderstorms, as it is a pretty strong cold front that's going to be moving through. So, taking a look at our forecast charts here, we're not going to see much change today as high pressure will remain in control. It will shift off to the east as we go into this evening, giving us a southerly flow, as well as the increase in temperatures through tonight and tomorrow. We're going to continue to see those mostly sunny skies today, and then mostly clear skies tonight. And then tomorrow, as that system approaches and we get that good southerly flow developing, we are going to see an increase in cloud cover throughout the day. By Saturday evening, that front will be quickly approaching the area, and we could see a chance of some widely scattered shower activity starting Saturday evening and Saturday night. But the bulk of the rain is expected to arrive on Sunday. It does look like Sunday morning is going to be the best time for rain, but there is going to be a chance for rain and a possible thunderstorm or two throughout the entire day. Doesn't look like it's going to be any big flooding rains that was looking like perhaps a possibility earlier this week, but it does look like rain under an inch is going to be likely for us here at Wallops. The bigger story will be some stronger winds that happen after the front passes on our Sunday evening time frame. We could be seeing some gusts to around 40 miles per hour at times, as we have that low developing just to the north of the area across the northeast, and that is going to help really tighten that pressure gradient for Sunday. So when we go into the Sunday evening and Sunday night time frame, as those rain showers end, we are going to see those winds really ramp up from the northwest as we have that deepening low across the northeast. Taking a look at our weather hazards today, we are going to be green across the board, no chance for rain. We're going to, like I said, we're going to be under mostly clear skies. Those winds are going to max out around 6 to 11 knots early this afternoon from the south, and then slowly weakening through the evening, becoming light and variable as we go to Saturday morning. We are going to see a very seasonable high today near 67 degrees. with a mild low tomorrow morning of 50. For our terminal forecast, we're just going to be seeing a few clouds at that 25,000 foot level throughout the day. As we go into tonight, we're going to start to see lower level clouds moving to the area. We're going to start to see a scattered deck near 2,500 feet after midnight, possibly becoming broken at times. And then by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, we'll be looking at that broken deck near 2,500 and possibly even seeing an overcast deck at that layer as well. Tides are slightly above normal across the region. Taking a look at the next couple of days here. Tomorrow is going to be mostly cloudy throughout the day. It is going to be warmer, though, due to that strong southerly flow ahead of that front. And we are expecting a unseasonably warm high yet again of 71. On Saturday night, we're going to see a warm low as that system approaches the area, as well as a chance of some scattered pre-dawn showers with a low of 62 expected. On Sunday, we are going to be seeing those cloudy skies as well as rain showers throughout the day. So with the lack of sun, we're not going to be able to see our high get very warm, only expecting a high of 68, and that does look like it's going to happen earlier in the day as that front does look to pass sometime within the first half of our Sunday, and we are going to see temperatures begin to drop as we go into the late Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening time frame. Like I said, we're expecting about just under an inch of rain for Sunday. We can't rule out slight chance of a thunderstorm throughout the day. There is going to be scattered shower chances basically throughout our entire Sunday, but those winds are going to really start to ramp up mostly in the evening and Sunday night time frame. And like I had mentioned, we could see wind gusts up to around 35 or possibly 40 miles per hour at times as that low deepens across the northeastern United States. For the next 7 days, we're going to be seeing a seasonable day today, and then Saturday is going to be the warmest day in the next several days here with a high of 71 in advance of that frontal system. On Sunday, we're going to get those rainy and windy conditions. And then on Monday, as that cold front moves off to the east, we're going to start to see temperatures return to more seasonable conditions. Monday does look to be like a chilly day, similar to what we saw yesterday with a low near 43 and a high of only 60. And then we're going to have high pressure building across the mid-Atlantic, giving us partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies for Tuesday and Wednesday with our highs in the mid-60s and lows in the mid-40s. And then on Thursday, there is some disagreement in the forecast as some models do indicate that high pressure is going to continue to stick around and give us pleasant and dry conditions, while other models are kind of indicating that we could get a front approaching the area from the north, giving us a slight chance of some scattered shower activity for the end of the work week. But we will continue to monitor that, and in the meantime, have a great weekend, and we'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 a.m. for your daily operations briefing and at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a great day.